Ciao, buongiorno, benvenuto, and welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina. I'm Vito. Boy, I got a good show for you today. I'm going to do my very favorite salad. Yeah, it's kind of foo-foo a little bit. I think it is a little, but I think this is so much fun. So take a look at what I got going here. Can you see all of this? There you go. This has got everything laid out, even my pots over there, which I'll explain to you in a minute. Come on, we're going to get right into it. Right here we have some pomodoro, some sliced grape tomatoes, and here they are. Here's how beautiful those things are. Those are pomodoros, the tomatoes, and then this is onion, chopped onion. This is cipolla, and then look at how beautiful that onion is, huh? Look at that. It's almost the size of my head. You know what I'm telling you? Anyway, so over here we have some blue cheese crumbles, and I use this Gorgonzola. It's an Italian blue cheese. That's right. There we go. And now over here we have some blue cheese dressing. That's right. Okay, and we're going to have some pepper, and then we have some pots and pans over here, but then we have the star, the lettuce, okay? And we're going to get to this in a second, but I want to talk to you about something else. The bacon. That's right, this is bacon right here. It's a regular bacon. There is an Italian bacon called pancetta, but we're using this bacon, and it's already chopped. And what I did was I went ahead and fried up the bacon, and I chopped it up. And what I do, here's the traditional way to do it. You put your bacon in a regular pan and you lay it out, and it splatters everywhere and the whole thing. Well, anyway, my son Nicholas, he says, "Hey, Pop," he says, "this is the way to do it. You get yourself a pot like this, and you put the bacon down in the middle like that. What I do is I drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, and then you put the bacon in and you cook it and you stir it as you go." And I'm going to tell you something. It is great because it's like almost splatter free. And before I go into that, I want to show you how I did the bacon. Okay, so watch this. Go ahead and roll the video, please. Looks good, doesn't it? Nice video, don't you think? Anyway, try that. It's really easy, less splatter, and you get to use the strips, because I know I used a pound of bacon right there, and then I chopped some of it. I saved some of the strips for bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches. You know what I mean? Because you don't want to put crumbles on a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. Anyway, let's get into this right now. First, the star of the show is my lettuce. And look at the bottom of the lettuce. See, that's called a core. And this is how you core it. There's lots of videos on how to do this. And it's the same really around the world, I think. So what you do is you smash it, okay? And then you core it, and then you slice it. Now, let me go ahead and do that and watch this. Here's how it works. Here we go. Come on in a little bit. There you go. Ooh. Turn it over. Give it a nice twist. Look at that core that came out of there, right? Did you see that? So then what I do is I take it and I get my knife and I slice it right down the middle. Can you see this? Can you get close enough to see this? There you go. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Okay. Isn't that nice? And then I'm going to go ahead and quarter it from here because these are actually quarters. Okay. So I'm going to quarter it like this. And I'll quarter this one like this. Just like so. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this quarter. Look how gorgeous that looks, huh? And what you do is you go ahead and you put it on a plate, just like so, okay? Look at how gorgeous that looks. See it? Okay, I'll put this right here. And then, just for right now, you know what I think I'll do, guys? My brain is really going right now, and I love it because this is so beautiful. I can't help myself. So I'm going to go like this and like this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, now. Put this over here and get this out of the way. There we go. And then we'll get our plate, bring it in like so, just like this. And the first thing that you do, what's the first thing we do, ladies and gentlemen? We get our blue cheese dressing. And we go ahead and we drizzle the blue cheese dressing all over. We get it, let it soak into the lettuce, okay? Just like so. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'll do this one too. I'll do 2 of them. I love it. Okay, just like so. Okay. Then what I do is I get the pomodoro, the tomatoes, right? The grape tomatoes. And I go ahead and put them all over the top. Look at that! Oh my God. This is so simple, you guys. You know? I love these pomodoros, okay? Okay, we'll put this one too. Just like so. There we go. Ooh, I gotta put one right here. It's like, I gotta use all my tomatoes. I love this. Put that down right there. Then I get some blue cheese crumbles, the Gorgonzola blue cheese crumbles. Okay, and I go ahead and put that on just like so. Look at that. Oh man, I'm using my fingers because it's a nice Italian way to do things. I love it. Okay, and we'll go ahead and just leave it like that. Okay. Then I come and I use the chipotle almost. It's almost time to use the chipotle, but I'm gonna wait, okay? Because I'm gonna go with the bacon. I'm just tricking you up a little bit. So then we go ahead and we spread the bacon on. Look at that. Oh my God. This is great. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Isn't that nice? I love the bacon. Everybody loves bacon, don't they? Okay, there we go. Now, guess what goes on? Guess. That's right. The onion, the blue cheese was all in there, and now we do the chipotle, okay? Now we put the onion on just like so. Look at that. Look, oh my God, that red onion's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Oh gosh. How can you beat that? I'm gonna tell you something. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of the blue cheese dressing right on top. This is how fast it is, folks. You don't wanna drown it, but you wanna just go ahead and drizzle just like so. Look at that. Just like so. And now we got one more thing to do. The pepe. And I got my magic machine here. And voila, there's your wedge, right? Is it Italian? I am. Maybe it is now, I don't know. I want you to enjoy this. See how easy that was to do? I'm gonna show you a nice little beauty shot in a second. And then I hope you go ahead and make this. Remember, Vito's Italian Cucina. Thank you so much for all your subscriptions. Go to vitositaliancucina.com is the website. And on that website, you can also go to subscribe YouTube. You'll see it in the upper right-hand corner, okay? Listen, thank you for all your subscriptions. Right now, we're coming up on 14,000 subscribers. Thank you. Grazie, molto bene. And ciao from Vito's Italian Cucina. Ciao, arrivederci.